everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Richard and Trucker 752, and as you can tell, I'm not in a truck. I'm in my garden. Today we're going to be planting my garden, and if everything goes right, we could probably make some money off of it, hopefully. So you're at the beginning stages. You're going to follow me through this journey as me and my wife plant and cultivate this. Well, we've already cultivated, but plant this garden and harvest it at the end of the season. So stay tuned, and we'll hopefully don't bore you too much. Alrighty, our first crop of the day is corn. So we're going to dig the seed trench and get to planting. We're going to do about 3 to 4 rows of corn today. So plant this corn and stuff and get that planted, and then plant the rest of our vegetables and stuff like that. So let's get to it. can see, the garden is planted and we are watering. These 4 rows is corn. We got pumpkins, jalapenos, bell peppers, and zucchini, some squash. So yeah, we're just kind of watering it to get to germinate. So stay tuned, and we'll next episode will probably be weeding, checking it in on it, and everything else. And this will probably be the beginning of our farming adventure. So till next time, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks.